Welcome in my kitchen. We are back with McCain. Today we're making a beef Hawaiian tortillas. Very easy, straightforward. Of course, it's frozen from the freezer to your pot. Adding my beef strips. Season with barbecue spice. The nice thing about spinach, it cooks so fast, tender. It's the softest part of beef. Now this is cooked. Just gonna put it in the bowl to the side. It's gonna come back now. Gonna add onion. Onions starting to brown. Going to add my Hawaiian stir fry. Got carrots, got peppers, got zucchini, got broccoli. You won't see any water starting to. You won't see your veggies swimming in the pot. See? Like, love it. Now, just gonna add a little bit of sugar, brown sugar, and my soy sauce. Okay, gonna add a bit of salt and pepper. And bake our beef strips. Okay, mix it together. Now the exciting part, I wanted to show you guys how you close your tortillas. I've got the cream cheese here. Just take cream cheese using your knife, your butter knife. Just spread on the edge and put the filling in the tortilla. Place it in the center. And fold it. Like you're closing it like this. Pull it back. Fold. Where is my cord? Fold. Of course it will ooze out. Fold it on the side. Another side. Okay. And finish it in the pan. And it looks so pretty. All the colors. And it is time.